Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. We're going to talk about Coinbase listings, and the recent addition of Doge actually inspired me to make this because I think there is a decent chance they eventually will add something like Shiba Inu in the future before they actually add other coins like Solana, Vechain, etc. that actually have a use. They actually have industrial uses, not so much just like, hey, we have a swap, we're cool, and we're memes, we're cool. And see, the thing is, right now at this point, I actually think the way that to get a coin listed on Coinbase is essentially to actually make it really, really popular. Not so much getting the partnerships that actually get industrial uses, but to actually get it really, really popular, have like a celebrity endorsement like Elon Musk or someone else. And I'll explain why. Coinbase recently went public as a publicly traded company. When your company goes public, it's all about making profits, meeting like profit margins, and meeting numbers. To meet those numbers, you actually, as a crypto exchange, actually need trading fees. So one of the pitfalls of going public is you are kind of ruled by your investors because they actually have a vote on the board and everything. And you do not want to miss like certain numbers and like certain profit margins. Otherwise, they might vote you off the island. So the thing is, like, when you actually go public, you have a lot less autonomy, which is why my former employer at Epic Systems, the medical company, not the gaming company, actually has never gone public. They're one of the biggest medical software. They're one of the biggest medical software providers in the United States, but they're still private because they don't want to deal with the investors and the investor demands of always making profits and stuff. And that might actually make short-term decisions that are good for profits, but are bad for the company long-term. And that's always a big tussle if you actually go public. But now, since Coinbase is going public, they might need to add some of these meme coins because of the trading fees that they will actually generate. I bet if Vechain actually got really popular and other exchanges were making massive trading fees off of Vechain, Coinbase would actually have to add them too. Because the thing is, they can't afford to fall behind other exchanges now. Because, like, their investors are expecting profit, they're expecting rewards, they're expecting ROI, and there's certain numbers that you actually have to hit as a public company to keep investors happy. Otherwise, they will be mad at you, and like I said, they will vote you off the island. And you do not want to be voted off the island by the investors because that would really be bad for your career. So that's where you're at right now. So, like, the thing is, like, with Coinbase, getting listed on Coinbase now, because they just went public, it may not be like the big partnerships. It may not actually be like the industrial use cases. It actually may be just customer demand. Of course, like, if the SEC is like on your coin's ass, then that's a different story altogether. As a public company, you really, really don't want to get on the SEC or regulators' bad side. But the thing is, like, if you don't have a case against you, I think the way that you get listed is actually, like, get popular, get someone to promote you. And when Coinbase sees that other exchanges are actually making massive trading fees off your coin and they're missing out, they're going to want to add you because their investors are going to demand that they add you for those trading fees so they can rack up those profits. And when you rack up those profits, that means price appreciation on your stock, and that means dividends. And investors are very, very interested in those two things. So that's how actually, like, I think Coinbase will actually operate from now on. It's going to be different from Coinbase before because they're public. And I think the way to actually get onto Coinbase right now is really to get your coin popular, get a lot of trading action, get a lot of trading fees, so that Coinbase basically has to list your coin for fear of falling behind. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.